It's a 2015 Lexus ES350. Enjoy the exceptional, world-class luxury of this stunning sedan, filled with refined craftsmanship found in every single detail. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual-zone climate control, power heated mirrors, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, leather steering wheel, front-wheel drive, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection reports, thanks to a quicker steering ratio and retuned suspension, the ES models feel slightly sportier from behind the wheel without sacrificing passenger comfort. It's still just as plush and quiet as ever. Luxury awaits in every Lexus. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.